your main man, Toby Jones, from Jones Good Ass Barbecue and Foot Massage. We lost our barbecue joint, but kept the building, and now we teaching folks karate. Get your raggedy car having ass over to COINYE and get you some money to fix this raggedy shit you own.
Lawyers for Kanye West filed cease and desist papers. Oh, barbecue.
We got fine dinosaur meat. My money, we take time for
I'm gonna fish stick. Interacting with me makes me gay fish.
We outside on the south side of Chicago, right outside of Kanye's childhood home. And our preferred method of payment is COINYE, the absolute best cryptocurrency available to me. COINYE, the official cryptocurrency from getting hit from the back. We accepted COINYE, mean coin. Taekwondo, we also take COINYE dough. So come on down here and learn karate, get a chicken wing, and get your feet rubbed after you kick somebody in the face. COINYE, the official cryptocurrency for barbecue joints the world over. I'm here to announce our official relationship with 1A Car Club. They are now accepting COINYE as their preferred currency. So get your raggedy car having ass over to COINYE and get you some money to fix this raggedy shit you own. If you're a motherfucking gay fish, and the new preferred currency to fish sticks everywhere is COINYE. Get your big hungry fish dick craving ass down here and get you some COINYE. If you buy right now, we will get you a picture. This picture with Kanye himself. We are overjoyed to announce Jones Barbecue and Cryptocurrency. COINYE, the official cryptocurrency. Don't wait. Act now. And if you get COINYE right now, we will get you an official picture, this picture, with Kanye himself. That's awful lot to
That's an awful lot. It's a big promise to put out there.
That you should put up there. No, you won't.
No, you won't.
Always remember and never forget. Chicken plus dinosaur equal bitches. I will see you hoes in court.